Howdy, I'm Mona and this is SkinDipity. This is a brand new channel that is designed to help the mature woman pick the very best products to flatter aging skin, both skincare and makeup, and I'm doing all the research for you. In my mid-40s, I really noticed a change in my skin. Around that time, I started doing a lot of research on what were the best ingredients, what were the ingredients worth paying for, and what types of makeup products would look the best on my skin. Because the things that I used when I was younger, they simply don't work now. I could use I couldn't use oily things because my skin was just full of oil. Now my skin is on the dry side, so I can tend to wear more moisturizing things. And there are many more examples of how mature skin requires different things than a younger skin. I've had no Botox, no fillers, no procedures. I'm just your regular, everyday woman trying to age the best way that I can. But I'm doing a lot of research to make sure that I get it the best that I can. So, with that being said, today we're going to focus on some makeup. I have my eyes done, but I got in the new Tom Ford Traceless foundation stick. It's a very beautiful container. I love the packaging. When you have mature skin, cream foundations often look better than more drying foundations. Hope I got the color match right. I'm pretty pale. This is 11 Warm Sand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one half of my face with a brush and the other half of my face with a beauty blender. I'm excited. Let's see how this does. So on this side of my face, I'm going to use the brush. I'm going to use my EcoTools foundation brush. Don't know if I want to put this directly on my face. So I'm going to apply it to my fingers. Mostly to the center of my face to start. Probably would go on faster if I just swiped it on my face. I think the color is okay for me. It feels really creamy. It doesn't feel too thick, so let's buff away. A little overcast today. Since this channel is brand new, I have some lighting coming in, but I didn't want to wait to get started. I've been looking at skincare and studying skincare for about 4 or 5 years now, and watching other people's channels, and decided the best way was just to jump in. So obviously I'll get better as we go along, and my equipment will get better as we go along, but until then, if you could just bear with me. My lighting should actually come in tomorrow. Oh, this is really good. Okay, so let's try this side with my favorite beauty blender, the Stands Out Beauty Blender. I'm gonna try it just like this. I think I like applying it with the beauty blender better. But I think the coverage is a little thicker, obviously, with the brush. So let me build this up just a little bit. They sell this product at Nordstrom's, they sell it at Macy's. I think they sell it at Sephora. You can get it almost anywhere. It's been out for a while. And I've had my eye on it. It's a little pricey. I think this was $87. But either lightweight makeup that feels like skin, or cream foundation seems to do better on my mature skin. Okay, I'm going to, I didn't bring my setting powder, so I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury. That was real unsanitary to blow in my breath. Just lightly set it. I'm going to warm up my cheeks with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. This color right here. Not really doing a harsh contour today. I'm just warming up the color of my skin. Okay, now I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 3D Highlighter Palette. I'm going to use the color Ibiza. Just give a little pop of color. Just a little pop of color. I'm not going to do full contouring or anything like that because I really just want to see how the foundation is going to perform. A little highlight. This is the Ciate Dewy Stick, and I really like that because it doesn't get into my fine lines or wrinkles. It just gives you a little bit of dewiness on the high points of your cheekbones. Okay, I'm going to add a little lipstick. We're going to use the Oriza Beauty lipstick, this color. Moving in close just so you guys can see the finish of the makeup. Let's go out into the light. Even though it's overcast, I wanted you guys to be able to see it the way it looks out in natural lighting. I really like it. I don't feel like it's settled into my fine lines and wrinkles. Feels weightless. So overall, I think it's a very good foundation. It feels really good on the skin. It's a good color match for me. I would say that I have it on as a medium coverage right now. I even used it under my eyes as concealer. And I don't feel like it is emphasizing my pores. I don't feel like it didn't need primer. I did use setting powder. It feels hydrating and comfortable, and we'll come back and we'll see how it's still looking in about 3 to 4 hours. Hi, it's Mona. I'm back with a 5-hour check-in with the Tom Ford Traceless Foundation, Stick Foundation. I have to say, guys, I am very impressed with this foundation. So I have it on medium. It could definitely be a full cover foundation. It is definitely good for combination and dry skin. I would not think this would be a good foundation for oily skin. It is very hydrating. Although it's a thick consistency in the stick with good coverage, it does not feel thick at all. It feels weightless, and it gives you kind of that second skin look. I would say makeup, not a real makeup-y look, more like a skin look. So, and it's definitely not breaking up. I maybe could powder my T-zone, but I haven't yet. You can see there's really not a lot of oil there. I am definitely loving this more than my It's CC cream, which I think is flattering on mature skin. Yes, it's pricey, but I would say it's definitely worth the price point at this point. Let's see what we have in another couple of hours. I really like a long wearing foundation because I'm busy. I tend to be on the go, and I do travel even for work. And when I'm traveling or when I'm at work, I don't have time a lot of times to do a makeup touch-up. So let's see what we have in another couple of hours. Bye. Hi everyone, it's Mona with SkinDipity. I am back to do a final check-in on the Tom Ford Stick Traceless Foundation. Traceless Foundation. Anyway, I've been having it on now for 11 hours. This is amazing. Guys, I have a new favorite, I think. I know it's pricey. I think this is the perfect foundation for mature skin. It is all the things that I said before. It's still, look at this. I have not even powdered. It's not settling into fine lines and wrinkles. It is still providing a medium coverage. I have a spot, that little spot on the end of my nose, and it's hard to cover. It still covers pretty well. It's just a little hyperpigmentation area. So I can't say enough good things about this foundation. I would definitely give it a thumbs up and say that this is definitely a winner for combo to dry, mature skin. Anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.